Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off stolen device protection when it's stuck. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to turn off your stolen device protection without any kind of issue, so let's see how can you do that. So very first you have to simply open your settings app, and here I recommend very first you have to try to update your software. So go for general, go for software update, try to update your software. After updating software, go to VPN device management and also disconnect with your VPN if you're connected. After disconnecting VPN, you just have to go back from here. Now you just have to scroll down and look for Face ID and passcode. And here just enter your iPhone passcode and then scroll down and you'll get the option of stolen device protection. Just select that and disable this toggle to disable stolen device protection. Or sometimes it might be start a security delay. So you just have to tap on the start security delay and it will start a timer of almost 1 hour. So you must have to wait for 1 hour, and after that your stolen device protection will be turned off, or you can manually turn off your stolen device protection when security delay has ended. Or if you're facing any kind of issue, so you have to go to security screen time section, go to content privacy restriction, disable all the restrictions from here, then go back, go to privacy and security, select location services, enable your location services, then go to system services, and here just go to the significant locations and enable this toggle to enable significant locations on your iPhone. So once you have enabled, you have to retry to check, or you have to retry to disable your stolen device protection without any issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.